Did you find it? Okay, I think I look decent for this video. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a pretty weird video. My boyfriend bought me a lot of stuff while he was in Korea, and it's like all this random stuff, and it's like a box. Well, it's not a box, it's a bag, but like it's a bunch of stuff, and I don't know what it is. So I thought I would just do a huge mystery unboxing on my channel. I thought it'd be pretty fun, especially because he said he got me gag gifts. Yeah, he's behind the camera. He said he has to explain some stuff. This is actually the bag that I got him for Valentine's Day, and he filled it with all this stuff. So the first thing, where's the other one?
It should be somewhere in there. No? In my case, maybe?
Did you find it?
Yeah.
Babe! Stop!
Yeah.
Back to the regular scheduled program. So he got me these Ryan shoes. Are these the ones from your house?
Yeah.
Well, there's these Ryan slippers. They look so new though.
Because I didn't use it.
I really love Ryan from Kakao Talk friends. My boyfriend and I had a couple ones. I had the cat and he had the dog, but this is what mine look like now. This one's fine. I really don't know what happened to this one. Next, I have so apparently I have a Ryan cape blanket thing. So it has the head and then it has a freaking tail. What the heck? Oh my god.
It's limited edition.
Limited edition? I thought you wanted this one.
Yeah. Too small.
Too small for your head?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 진짜? I look like Lord Ryan. I look ridiculous. I'll wear this until the end of the video. Next. Ooh, bulldog Bokumyeon. Oh, I saw Whitney Bay try this. It's a different style of the bulldog ramen. You guys know the fire noodles?
Carbonara? No. It has special fish cake that is the same shape of peachy, that character.
Oh, so peach version. Cacao peach. I hope this is tasty. I don't think I've ever had a nasty ramen. I've had okay ramen, but I've never had nasty instant ramen, so should be good. Yogui ramen.
So it's a monster ramen or wicked ramen.
Is it spicy?
Just spicy stir fry.
Oh, this is so cute. You know how it usually tells you on the back instructions how to make ramen? Well, they have it like a cartoon of the monsters because this is Monster Edition ramen. So look at the little cute monsters. Oh, this is so cute. What flavor is this one? Oh, I think this is the tteokbokki.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the comic on the back is different on this one. So if I'm being honest, I don't know if I like tteokbokki flavored things, but we'll try it. Oh my goodness, never ending ramen. What's this one?
That's carbonara.
Another carbonara ramen. The king of the monsters on the front. These are really, really cool, like really original. Oh, their expiration date's this year. What? Oh, there's another one.
Bongola is another type of pasta taste.
Another pasta taste. I don't know. Okay, so I asked him to buy me more face stuff. It's Happy Bath facial yogurt foam with peach extract. I really like this. Ooh, also more Vanilla Co Radiance. It's a cleanser. This is like the best makeup remover ever. So good, like it melts off your makeup. Oh, this is so cute. I got these socks. It's so cute. The dog is holding the hamster. It's from the Hello Kitty brand. That makes Sanex? Whatever their name is. I feel like this is so my boyfriend's style of socks. I got one Cookie Monster sock, one Stitch sock, and it has ears on the inside. I really like that. Oh my gosh, I really feel like my boyfriend got me these because he wants to wear them. This is really him. He's very Disney, Toy Story kind of guy. 맞아. I know you like this stuff, right? And then Monsters Inc. Here's more my style. Oh my god, why did you get me so many of them?
Because it's cheap there. They're like 501.
This is more my style. Hello! But then he got me 4 pairs. What the heck?
They were like 2001 for all of them.
Thank you. Oh! Oh, I forgot you bought me this. I wouldn't have bought tea at the store.
Actually, I bought like 2.
My boyfriend bought me some tea. I like fruit flavored tea. And this one is from Jeju. He's a Jeju boy, so he bought me some from Jeju. Is this good?
It's a green tangerine tea.
Green tangerine tea. I really love tangerines. I just bought a whole bag, so it's like that flavored tea. Oh, I can't wait to have this. I should have it while it's the summer.
The later is sweet and sour, but more like sweetness.
I feel like this is Christmas. I have so much stuff.
That's the charger I bought wrong. Both of them. That was 2 in 1.
My boyfriend bought the wrong charging cables for his phone, so I now have 2 really long charging cables. This is great. And I guess it's good for my guests. I can have like one over here by the couch and stuff. So he also got me some pimple patches, but he got the wrong one. Okay. I love you. So these pimple patches, well, I haven't tried this brand, but pimple patches are so nice. His mom bought the first couple of packs for me. He asked her to buy some. I think she knew it was for me because she got the clear ones. Their skin color ones, like Korean skin color ones, like pale skin, but she got the clear ones. So I know she knew it was for me. I knew it. He said, oh, she doesn't know. I just asked her to buy some pimple patches. I'm like, she knows it's for me. But anyways, so he got these and they look clear. So he did a good job because I don't want to have like a weird pale color on my skin. So I feel like this is a tradition for my boyfriend to do for me now because I feel like every time he goes to Korea, he always buys me earrings. So I have like a bunch of earrings from him. Let's see how he did this time. I think he's nervous. He's looking at me like, how do you feel? Okay, this is my style. This is my style, you know. These cool little dangly ones. Okay, I wouldn't usually wear this, but they're super cute. Okay, I see what you did. I see. These kind of remind me like a villain would wear, you know, in like a show because of the red and the rose gold. Oh, okay. Does my boyfriend know me? I love geometric earrings. I have a Ryan compact. I feel like he did this one because this is the emoji he always uses for me and I'm like, ew, gross. He even used it today. And then compact mirror. You can't really see anything because the light's shining in it and reflecting, but it's just showing me how ugly I look. Oh, it's pajama? I thought they were pants.
Just you pants. Can wear it as pants, but you'd be very shameful to walk.
Oh! They're so see-through.
Yeah. But it's really cool in the summer.
So he bought me these pajama pants and they look very opaque on the camera, but in real life,
oh, I didn't notice that much see-through.
They're so see-through. like so see-through. I wish you guys could see how see-through they were. Somehow they made a see-through fabric have pockets. This is cool.
But you should really try it on because you can never imagine how cool it is before you try it.
It feels cool already, like. Okay, so this item, I've been waiting for this item. Let me give you a backstory. I'm not that lame, okay? This was originally his idea. But, okay, so what happened was, he was like, you wanna do some couple things? And I'm like, no. I was like, okay, we can compromise. We can get a bracelet, right? But then I told him later on, I thought about it and I'm like, okay, if I have to move to another state, then we can get couple rings, right? Like in Korea, they do couple shirts, couple rings, couple bracelets, a lot of different things, and couple rings more common. I'm not sure if it's as significant as a promise ring as it is like we're in a relationship ring, but whatever. I picked the design and he bought it, and he's been wearing his and I feel like he's been bragging because I can't wear mine yet. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's very geometric and simple, and I love it. It looks so cute and dainty on my fingers. All right, and last but not least, oh no, there's another sock. Oh my god, okay, this is so me. Look at it, it's so cute. Okay, last but not least,
We should guess what it is for.
he got me tattoo sleeves. Why did you buy me tattoo sleeves? Explain yourself.
So there are two reasons why Koreans wear that. First, the driver, they get the left side burn.
Ah.
And also the second, when people get road rage on your back, you have to threaten them with your arms outside the window with the tattooed arm. So that's why they use it.
Okay, I'll go with the first option I like. So he bought it so he can prevent my driver's arm. I think he just got it as a gag gift. Thank you for watching this random unboxing. I got a lot of stuff. With that being said, I'll do a little dance for you guys with my tail. Okay, I think I'm done embarrassing myself. Thank you to my boyfriend for bringing so many things. If you like this video and you want to see more videos, like, subscribe, tell me what you want to see next. Comment down below what you thought, whatever else you want to see, and I'll be back with more. Bye! This is like the best makeup remover. The fake earrings you got me, the clip-on one. You're supposed to remember what you bought me. God, you put your heart in there. I thought I'm proposing to myself.